the other day when we came for a walk here. So as you can see, we've had to resort to trousers.
Not by choice.
Not by choice, but we're going for a walk, and we did this walk the other day and we've been bitten
Where we
to
got
shreds.
Absolutely destroyed by the midges. So
Yes.
we really don't want that again. It's so frustrating because it's such a nice day again as well.
Feels really warm, and we definitely would have wanted to be in shorts, but
we got out of the van and it was boiling. But
yeah.
if we come down here again like it was that other night, I've still got all the bites on me now and
Yeah.
it's not worth it. So hopefully the trousers protect us a little bit.
I know, we got long sleeves as well, so we're going to be roasting.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see them rocks just down there. When we were up here earlier in the year, Charlotte filmed the orcas just going past me and the rocks. So incredible. The last time the 27s were seen was actually along this coast. They've sort of gone quiet again, so we're hoping that this is where they pop up.
So it's so typical. This is the only day we put trousers on, and it's 17 degrees, glorious sunshine. We're absolutely roasting. I've rolled mine up. Nick's can convert into shorts, but that kind of defeats the point of trying to avoid the midges. But yeah, I've just embraced it because I'm just too hot.
Charlotte also didn't get bit to death the other night like I did, and I'm itching like crazy all over my arms because of it, so that's why I'm not rolling mine up or taking these bits off. They might be off later though. The time has come to take these bad boys off. It's absolutely boiling. Charlotte won't be taking hers off though.
No, I just have to have mine rolled up. Yay! You can see we've never had these before.
One day you have trousers on, I don't even last the morning before I've got shorts on again.
The legs are free. Avoided that completely.
So while we're on that coastal walk, we saw online that had actually been orcas spotted this morning, probably about 20 miles away from where we were. Yeah. It was a delayed report, so I don't know if they're still around, but yeah. So yeah, we're just hoping that whatever pod it is still hanging around, so yeah. We've come a little bit north now. We had a bit of a diversion from...
We had a little bit of a diversion to the hospital on the way, which sounds a bit dramatic. And it probably was a bit dramatic, but
yeah.
Given the fact we've never encountered this before, I actually got a tick.
You got more than one tick, probably about 3.
About 2 or 3 ticks on my legs, just when we were doing that walk, and I think we knew exactly the point when we got it. Well, when I got it.
When we were going through that long grass.
That long grass. So we've been to the hospital and they've removed the tick with this, which we can now keep, which is good. And
I removed one of the ticks with my fingers, which I probably shouldn't have done.
Which is not advised if you're going to be out in the field. But anyway, I got a little bit of paper, which basically says, you know, don't remove it with your hands, which is what you did. But anyway, they checked it all looks fine. I think because it had just happened, I kind of saw it on my leg and we pulled it off before it kind of got stuck in, but the other one was in there. So we went to the hospital and got it removed, and now I've covered my legs in Germaline, and sorry, we just now have to just double check that we don't get any like infections or anything. Keep an eye out over the next few days, but
Charlotte's also still full of cold, as you can see.
Oh,
which
yeah.
She always seems to be on these trips.
I know, that wasn't a result of the tick, that was before the tick.
But yeah, we're speaking to a couple of friends yesterday, and I said to them, I was like, don't worry, Monday the Orca will show up, and it's now Sunday, so the Orca have been seen, so hopefully
yes.
They show up for us tomorrow, which I said Monday, so hopefully I'm right.
I hope so. I really hope it'll be a very good prediction.
It's still quite early at the moment, it's about 3 o'clock, so...
It feels like a lot later given everything we've done today and all the adventures that we've been on.
Definitely. Hopefully they show up today somewhere, but if not, tomorrow would be really good.
Yeah.
It's just such nice conditions today. Hopefully it's the same tomorrow and it's nice and flat again on the water.
I hope so.
But we'll see if we have any luck.
Yeah.
Hopefully no more ticks.
No more ticks. Definitely no more ticks. We've just had a drive down to Nibster and we're just sitting in the car park looking out because it's raining, and we've just seen a pod of Risso's dolphins just going past, so this is where we're sheltering. Trying to get a bit of footage if we can. I don't think it's going to be the greatest because it is raining, so we can't really go out and get all the equipment wet, but yay, we've seen some Rissos.
We had Risso's dolphins last night. Now we've gone a bit further down the coast today and we've got them again.
Trying to get a bit of footage, but we've seen them through the binoculars, so we're jumping, but by the time we've got here, I haven't got any footage yet, but hopefully I will.
So he's watching the Risso's dolphins a bit further out. We've just had a pod of bottlenose dolphins go right past us, really close in.
Yeah, they went really quite fast, so I mean my footage is not very good, but we saw them with our eyes, and now we're getting rained on like the biggest
typically it's raining.
But
yeah, it's really nice to see them though, so
yeah.
Hopefully they show up again.
Yeah, that was really good. come a little bit further north in the hope of spotting the bottlenose dolphins again if they keep travelling in the direction when we saw them. So we've come to the Trinky, which is a place we like to come to anyway, so hopefully they come past. So they haven't showed up at the Trinky, so we're going to keep looking, go for some more walks and see, I'm a bit stuck, see where we end up.
I think we might go and have a look at Sarclet again, see if there's any Risso still knocking about.
Yeah, because we didn't really give that a lot of time because we saw everything then ran away to try and follow it, so yeah, might give it another chance.
It was like that night at Wallago, we just turned up and within like 5 minutes they were there, but most of the time that never happens to us.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, we were only there for a few minutes and then they come, then we bombed it up here, so I think we're going to go back, try there again and have a walk. Yeah. See what happens. They might have done a U-turn, they might still be there.
They might actually.
We've been sitting here for an hour or so and they're probably still there.
So after we reported the dolphins that we saw yesterday at Sarclet, a lot of people turned up at the Trinky in the hope of seeing them, but unfortunately we didn't manage to see them at the Trinky. But it was nice to see lots of people showing up to try and look for them, but hopefully today we can report some orca instead. We've made it to the lighthouse.
Saw what I thought were orca really far out in the distance.